Okay, when you want to open it, this one, you remove this cover, okay, at the back here. Just open this cover, remove this cover, okay, and you take out this 4 screw, and the stand, you have to squeeze the button and push the stand down and take out the 2 screw there. After you do that, then you from there open the clip right hand, okay. Just ace it up. Just make sure you take out all these ones, okay. Okay, this is the motherboard for the Dell monitor, 24 inches, okay. After you open it, to open it is like clip that monitor. You need to open it, you have to force it to open it right round, okay. It's a clip, okay. You force to open it, you take out the power supply. This is the power supply, okay. The first thing you have to check there, you have to check the fuse and check some of the components. As you can see the line here, this line, this in between line, this side is the inputs for the power supply, the cable, and this side is the outputs go to the display board for the icon, the screen. This is the display board, okay. This one connects this side, okay. This is the output and this is the inputs, okay. As you can see the line, so the first place you need to check this side, okay. Check all those diodes and see, you put the meter on diode. As you can see, the meter is on diode, okay. If the diode is burned, you read like this. When you read like this, I mean the diode already burned. You need to change it, put another diode. That one can cause the monitor not to come on, okay. You put it on diode, okay. You check all those diodes first, okay. For you to know if any diode is burned here, the first thing you need to check the capacitor. This is the capacitor, the big one. You just check it like this first. Check the 2 line. If the capacitor never read like diode, that means there is no diode bend this side, okay. But you can, after you check it like that, you see that nothing is not reading like that. It's reading normal like this. That means no diode is bent here. But just keep checking the diode. Sometimes it might be one of them is bent. But when you read it like that, you just have the confidence that there is no diode bend here, okay. Then from there you check the fuse, okay, the fuse, and see if the fuse is cut. Because if there's any short on the motherboard, the fuse will bend. This is the leg for the fuse. I turn the board over, okay. Check the fuse. The fuse is good. The fuse is supposed to read like this. Diode don't supposed to read like, but fuse, if you read the fuse, you don't hear no sound, nothing, that means the fuse is bent. But when you read the fuse like you hear the sound, that means the fuse is good. Because fuse is something like a line connection to in between 2 lines. When it cuts, no connection, okay. When you read like this, that means there's connection, that means the fuse is good, okay. Because the power supply come here and come to the fuse, okay. Then from there, after you read all this, the components, see there's nothing born on the input side, then you come to the output. The outputs also have diode. If the diode burn on the output, can seize the voltage not to go through the monitor, okay. So you read the other diode here also. You see there's diode here. Then from there you read the capacitor. This small one, they are all capacitors, okay. You read the capacitor also, okay. You see this capacitor, you see, is short already. The capacitor don't need to read like fuse. When you read like fuse, that means there's something wrong. The capacitor bent, or one of the diode is bent inside the board already. That's why the capacitor is reading like this, okay. This capacitor, they are all voltage. When the short is on the diode, the capacitor read like fuse. When you read like fuse, it sees the voltage not to on the monitor, okay. So you see all this capacitor is reading like fuse, okay. Now when it reads like this, that means this diode already burned, okay. You read the diode also. As you can see, the diode already burned. It's reading like fuse. That means the pollen is from this diode. You need to change this diode and replace another diode, okay. But sometimes you cannot get this kind of diode, this flat diode. We have 2 types of diode. We have the flat one and we have the long one like this with the 2 legs. If you can get the same long one like this, hence the size and the voltage is the same, you can still use it. That's why they put provision here. You see, there's a provision here for this one. In case you don't have this one, there's this provision, you can put another one here, then it can work as this one, okay. So now I read the diode again one more time. As you can see, it's not reading perfectly. That means the diode already burned. So now I'm going to take out this diode and replace another diode inside, okay, for you guys to see. So I put a bit oil. This one to help the soldering to get melt very fast. Okay, then I use my blower. Then I use my blower to take out the diode, okay. Okay, I take out the diode. As you can see, I remove the diode already. Okay, now I'm going to find the one that will fix here, okay. Okay, now I get the diode. As you can see the diode, you can see the design is not the same, but it works the same way, okay. You just need to know how to fix it, okay. So now you can see there's a provision here for this other one, and this one is at the back, so you can still use this one. The only thing, you have to know how to fix it perfectly. As you can see the line, You can see the line. This line is the negative line. Okay, you follow exactly how the motherboard the line is. You see, this is the diode. You see the arrow, the diode shape exactly. So this line here supposed to be on this line here. The leg supposed to be on this line, and this other one supposed to be this one. So just follow exactly how it is, like then fix it. Okay. So now you just need to bend the legs like this. Just bend them small like this, and bend this one also. Okay. Then you use the soldering. The one leg already open, and open the other leg. Okay, just use the soldering. Just put it inside like this. The leg will open, as you can see, open already. Okay. Then you just put the leg inside. Put one here and one here, and put inside like this. Okay. If one, you can push it a bit up. Okay. Then you soldering the back here. Okay. Just soldering the back here. Then soldering the leg at the back. It's the same use, the same diode. Just the design is different. That's why they make provision for the board for you to fix the same diode. Also can still work the same use. Okay, just make sure you're soldering it very nice. You have to put enough solder so that the leg will fix. Make it dry. Okay, then you fix the other leg also here. Okay, then you can cut the legs a bit because the leg is too long. You cannot leave it like this. Okay, so you just cut the leg a bit small. Okay, cut this one also. Okay, now I already fixed the diode. Okay, and I read it again. As you can see, now it's not reading like fuse again. You see, it's reading very nice now. Okay, that means the motherboard is working perfectly now. Okay, now I'm going to fix on the monitor for you guys to see. Okay, now I'm coming to fix the power supply, so you can see that the monitor is working now. I fixed the power supply here. Okay, as you can see, the DELL already show. Okay, you just wait a minute, you see the welcome notes already show. I mean, the monitor says everything is good, everything is nice. I mean, it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.